Well, classic lasagna is great, but it does take a while to prepare. And today, Howard shows us how to make a quick lasagna toss in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I don't know about you, but I love lasagna. There's something about the combo of the curly edge noodles, the ricotta cheese, and the cooked sausage that just makes me smile. The problem is, I don't always have time to make it. So rather than layering all those ingredients, we came up with an all-in-one skillet version that's super easy and it's to die for. Let me show you. We start by cooking our lasagna noodles just like normal, except instead of leaving them whole, we break them up into large pieces. Once they're tender, we drain them. While they drain, we cook up a good amount of Italian sausage that we remove from its casing. To that, we add our drained noodles, along with a jar of spaghetti sauce, some ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella, and a bit of Parmesan, and of course, a few spices. All we need to do now is give it a good stir, and once everything is heated through, it's done. There you have it. Everything you love about lasagna without all the work of layering it. Serve it with a salad and some crusty Italian bread for extra yumminess. If you want the recipe for our quick lasagna toss, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty shortcut way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I might stick to my own lasagna there. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market prices.